To get to your Travefy marketing profile, let's say you're somewhere else in your account, you click on your head at the top, then profile. Here is marketing here in the middle. This at the top is the link that you share with your clients. This is the slug, also known as what's after this backslash. So it will have some random letters or random combination, but you can change it to whatever you want. Once you are ready to make this public, you can check this box off, keeping in mind that if your account is less than 30 days old, it will not be made public until your account is 30 days old. And this information here is actually what populates in your itineraries. So if you're ever looking at your itinerary and you want to change your title or your phone number, this is where you would also do it. You can add your website, your logo, a background image that represents the destination you are niching into. What I love about the free text box is you can add additional information, additional links. You can format it, which is awesome. You can add in your social media links for quick access. This is why it makes it a great like link in bio kind of situation. And then you can also add featured itineraries directly from your Travefy. So if you're trying to market a group trip, or like let's say that you sell a lot of sandals or a lot of Avalon or a lot of just a specific brand, you can actually create sample itineraries for like what a 4-night at Sandals Barbados would be, or what a 5-night Royal Caribbean cruise would be like. You don't have to give away all the information, but you can sample your work, and it's all linked on the same page as like your consult call or your forms or whatever it is. So clients have all of that information in one place.